Did you know that on average, we spend 60% of our waking lives in work? Given this, it's no wonder that work has such an impact on our health and well-being. It can positively impact us by providing a sense of purpose, social contact, and a supportive environment, as well as negatively impact us if, for example, we have to work in poor conditions or have unrealistic workloads. The workplace offers many opportunities for promoting healthy lifestyles and supporting employees to make behaviour changes, such as quitting smoking, moving more, and eating more healthily. In Wales, around 7.7 million days of work are lost to sickness absence every year, the equivalent of 5.2 days per worker, which is a significant cost to organisations and to the wider economy. Many of the causes of long-term sickness absences are preventable, such as stress or work that exacerbates back pain. As an employer, you can help by addressing contributory causes at work or supporting staff effectively. Proactively taking action to support your employees' health and well-being benefits your workforce, your workplace, and your business. Looking after the health of your workforce leads to them feeling valued and cared for. Valued employees are more engaged and resilient, which means increased levels of morale, motivation, and productivity, as well as fewer episodes of sickness absence. Employees are more likely to stay with an organisation, allowing you to retain valuable skills and experience, plus reducing staff turnover and recruitment costs. Taking action also enhances your company's reputation, helping you to attract new talent, new clients, and grow and thrive. Research tells us that for every £1 spent on promoting health at work, between £2 and £34 can be saved through reduced sickness absence and staff turnover, as well as increased productivity. There are lots of things employers can do to create healthy and happy workplaces. Healthy Working Wales can help employers of all sizes and from all sectors to support the health and well-being of employees, prevent sickness absences, and help staff get back to work after a period of ill health. Take a look at the Healthy Working Wales website to find out what guidance and tools we have available to help you look after your most important resource, your staff, and create a happier, healthier, and more productive workforce. Visit healthyworkingwales.com to learn more.